Guys, I'm back playing Color Switch. So if you didn't see my last episode, you better see it right now. Do you remember, guys, when I make a video that music though, when I make this rap though? A lot of you guys liking it. No, not liking it, but a lot of you guys watching it. Thank you so much for watching. So here we go. So last time I make a video about combine spinner with spinner with spinner. So if you didn't see it, go ahead to my channel and see it right now. So we here to win this game. Let's go. That's new. And I forgot that music. They change it. They know what I'm gonna do. One, two, Oh, get inside. Wait. Like a boss, man. Let's go. Yo, they tricked me. Again. Okay, good. Ah! Yo, I hate these tricks. What the heck? Wait. Go. Wait. Go. Yo, that's timing right now. Okay, I need to concentrate, guys. Ooh. Oh yeah. Did you see that, guys? They're getting speed. And I'm gonna wait again. Look, they come slow, speed, low, move. I was thinking I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I was blue. I was kind like dash it already. Go! Ooh! I got tricks with the spinner. Raging on the building. Yo, please make me win. So guys, my goal is to get 10 subscribe before I get be big like my dad. If I didn't get 10 subscribe when I'm small, a child, yeah, I'm gonna quit YouTube right now. If I didn't get 10 subscribe, yo, I'm gonna quit YouTube. This is my goal. Go. Wait. Go. Like a boss, man. I am moving around. Ooh. What? Ooh. What the? Wait. Move. Wait. Move. Wait. Move. Wait. Move. Wait. Let's get it in. Move. Wait. I'm gonna. Like a boss. Let's go. Red. When we on the red, we need to go to the red. Yellow. Moss. Purple. Let's go. Purple. Be nice to me. Purple. Be nice to me. Purple. Be nice to me, okay, Purple? I love you. Please make me win this level. Purple. Okay, wait. Move, move. Wait, move, wait, move, wait. Yo! I hate this. Ah! Did you see, guys? I just dash it. I just like, I don't have any time. Move, wait, move, wait, wait, move! Wow. Move, wait, 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 move, wait. Yo, I was thinking, I was thinking they're going in the right. This is hard. Wait, they're going in the left. Move, move, wait, move, wait, move, move, move. Ah, I missed this. Okay, let's go. Move, wait, move, move, win! Easy win! Oh, this is going to be hard. Now, I'm gonna dash. Wait, 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 move, wait, move! Ah! Damn it! Because I'm gonna end it when I'm 45 level. Wait, move, wait! Ah! They cheat me! I was thinking now. Are you kidding me? Yo, the game become harder and harder. Look like Formata is still invincible. Okay, I need to click like super. Wait, wait, wait. Now, wait, now, wait, wait, wait. Now, wait, wait. Now, wait. Now. Ooh. Okay, I need to concentrate. Ooh, like a boss. Okay, please let me get it. Oh! Fidget spinner raging on me. Ooh! Ooh, wait. Ah! Forgot. Go, wait, go. Wait, go, wait, go, wait, go, wait. I missed this. Again. Okay. Yo, the game become harder and harder every time. Wait, move, wait. Undertale, Zodiac. Now, wait, now. Well, ooh. That's cool, Mike. Oh, wait. Oh, damn it. Oh, wait. Oh, damn it. There, man. Move. Wait, move. Freaking moron. Yo. Move. Wait, move. Wait. Move. Oh no! Yo, it's hard! And I'm raging! Look like... No one can stop the samurai! Move! I hit red. Like a boss! I'm raging right now. So, the next episode going to be the end. So, I hope you enjoy. First, I'm gonna quit it. I hope you enjoy my video and don't forget to like this up. Bye!